to teach you qualities of successful entrepreneur. We know that entrepreneurs play a vital role. Entrepreneurs play a vital role in the development of a country. This is because a nation's economic growth is largely dependent on its entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs are genuine visionaries who act as innovators, create market, take risks, and organize factors of production to provide goods and services to the society. They also create employment to large section of society and increase their living standard. The word entrepreneur is derived from French word entreprendre, which means to undertake or to start a business. The concept of entrepreneur varies from industry to industry, country to country, as well as from time to time, and also depends on level of economic growth or economic development of a country. An entrepreneur is a person who starts a business and is willing to risk loss in order to make money. In order to make money. Qualities of successful entrepreneurs. First quality of successful entrepreneur is discipline or disciplined. First quality of entrepreneur is disciplined. Discipline makes undertaking succeed and update. Self-disciplined entrepreneur create discipline amongst all managers and their subordinates. Each and every work done as per schedule and plan of work is the key of success of any undertaking. It is possible by way of discipline. However, discipline not mean watertight compartment. Discipline not mean watertight compartment. Discipline is important to stay focused on their objectives and vision. Discipline focused on their objectives and vision. Successful entrepreneurs are disciplined enough to take steps every day towards the achievement of organizational goals and objectives. Discipline makes undertaking succeed and update. These individuals are focused on making their business work and eliminate any hindrances or distractions or distraction to their goals. An entrepreneur has comprehensive strategies and outline the tactics to accomplish them. An entrepreneur has comprehensive strategies and outline the tactics to accomplish them. Successful entrepreneur is disciplined enough to take steps every day towards the achievement of his objective. Self-disciplined entrepreneur creates discipline amongst all managers and their subordinates. Second point, second quality of successful entrepreneur is confidence. Entrepreneur is the owner and boss of his undertaking. Entrepreneur is the owner and boss of his undertaking. He must be confident about their skill, knowledge, decision taken by him. He must be confident about their skill and knowledge. He is totally responsible for all happenings in the enterprise. He does not ask any question about whether they can succeed or whether they are worthy of success. He may succeed in the business only with the ability of confidence. Only with the ability of confidence. The entrepreneur does not ask question to any person. He is confident with the knowledge that he will make his business succeed. He shows that confidence is confidence in every does. Third point, third quality of successful entrepreneur is open-minded. Third point is open-minded. Entrepreneur may open-minded. Entrepreneur may open-minded. He must communicate with managers and subordinates in the organization. Everyone has some ideas and entrepreneur gets the benefit of these ideas through proper communication, which again relies on open mindedness of an entrepreneur. Every person, every employee, or every participant has some ideas, and entrepreneurs get the benefit of these ideas through proper communication. Entrepreneurs realize that every event and situation is a business opportunity. He realized that every event and situation is a business opportunity. He has the ability to look at everything around them and focus it towards achieving the organizational goals. Achieving the organizational goals. He should discuss with employees of the enterprise relating to their ideas and to take the benefit of their skill and potential for developing the undertaking. He should discuss with employees of the enterprise regarding their ideas and to take the benefit of their skill. Next point is competitive. Sorry, fourth point is self starter. Fourth quality of successful entrepreneur, self starter. Entrepreneur knows that if something needs to be done, he should start it himself. He should start it himself. He sets the parameters and makes sure that projects follow that path. He sets the parameters and makes sure that projects follow that path. He is proactive, not waiting for someone to give him permission. Entrepreneurs know that if something needs to be done, he should start himself. He should start himself. Next point, fifth point is competitive. Today, the age is age of competition. Today, the age is age of competition. Survival of fittest is the rule of world. Survival of the fittest is the rule of world. To succeed in the competitive world, it is essential to succeed in the competitive world. It is essential to provide something to the society. To provide something to the society, entrepreneurs should do the job differently to satisfy the customers. Entrepreneurs should do the job differently to satisfy the customers. Many companies are formed because an entrepreneur knows that they can do a job better than others. Many companies are formed because an entrepreneur, his founder, knows that they can do a job better than other or better than another. Next quality of successful entrepreneur is creativity. Creativity is most essential part of the successful entrepreneur. Creativity is most important part or most important thing. In the modern age, creativity is most important. Entrepreneurs always comes up with new ideas and solutions. Entrepreneurs always come up with new ideas. Creativity is being able to make connections between seemingly unrelated events or situations. The successful entrepreneur always engaged into manufacture and provide something new to the end users. Provide something new to end users means ultimate consumer. Next point, determination. Next quality of successful entrepreneur is determination. Entrepreneur is not threatened by his defeats. He looks at defeat as an opportunity for success. Opportunity for success. He is determined to make all their endeavors succeed. He is determined to make all of their endeavors succeed. So he will try again until it does. He will try again until it does. Successful entrepreneur does not believe that something cannot be done. Something cannot be done. Mistakes are not only the reason of business failure, one can learn and improve his work from mistakes. Entrepreneurs see positively among mistakes as an opportunity to learn. He does not blame others and focus on revenge. However, he always engages in finding the solutions to rectify the mistakes. So, successful entrepreneur does not believe that something cannot be done. Next point, strong communication skill. Next quality of successful entrepreneur is strong communication skill. The entrepreneur has strong communication skills to sell the products and to motivate employees and to motivate employees. An entrepreneur needs to communicate with different people like customers, suppliers, creators, employees, government officials, etc. He must be able to express his ideas. Entrepreneur must be able to express his ideas and strategies effectively. He must be able to express his ideas and strategies effectively. It is necessary that there is a proper understanding between the sender and receiver of the message. It is necessary that there is a proper understanding between the sender of message and receiver of message. So communication skill is very essential thing for successful entrepreneur. Without communication, any businessman can do anything, cannot do anything, because business is a group activity, management is a group activity, so he has to communicate with different people like customers, employees, suppliers, creditors. So it is necessary that there is a proper understanding between sender of message and receiver of message. Next point is strong work ethics. Strong work ethics. The successful entrepreneur will often be the first person to arrive at the office. He must be the first person to arrive at the office and the last one to leave the office, or last one to leave the office. He possesses a high level of energy. He possesses a high level of energy. He should enthusiastic at every time for doing the work. For doing the work, he put extra hours in the business. He put extra hours in the business. His mind is constantly on his work. Entrepreneur's mind is constantly on his work, whether he is in or out of the workplace. He is in or out the workplace. He must concentrate on his business or his work. It is very essential thing for successful entrepreneur. The last quality of successful entrepreneur is passion. Successful entrepreneurs are passionate with what they do. Only the person works with passion if he likes it. Passion is the most important quality of the successful entrepreneur. Passion is the most important quality of the successful entrepreneur. He puts extra hours in the business because it gives satisfaction and joy which goes beyond the monetary benefits. Which goes beyond the monetary benefits. We know that the main aim of every business is to earn a maximum profit, but there must be a satisfaction and joy which goes beyond the monetary benefits. Entrepreneurs are enthusiastic by the achievements. Entrepreneurs are enthusiastic by the activities and challenges of their business. Even if they fail, passionate entrepreneurs pursue them going until they get it right. Hence, passion is required for accomplishment of organizational goal. So, passion is the most important quality of the successful